What is up, my friends? I'm at the computer at the office here to answer a couple questions. Specifically, does Murphy's Oil soap contain wax, and will it leave a residue on your hardwood floors if you decide to clean with it? Those are two very important questions to ask, not just about Murphy's Oil soap, but any cleaner that you decide to use to clean your hardwood floors with, right? So let me get my Murphy's Oil out of here. Okay. First question, does Murphy's Oil soap contain wax? The answer is absolutely not. Not at all whatsoever, despite what some people may tell you. I seen a video on a YouTube channel once, a few years back, that said Murphy's Oil was nothing but a big bottle of wax, and that is, I'm sorry, but he was incredibly misinformed, because this contains no wax whatsoever. It's actually, Murphy's Oil soap is an oil-based cleaner, right? That's why it's Murphy's Oil soap. It's oil-based cleaner, but it contains no standing oil once it's been processed and put into these bottles that you purchase in the store. So it contains no standing oil whatsoever. Here's the ingredients that you find in the product. Now, if you've taken my course, Understanding Cleaning Chemicals, under playlists, then a lot of this language, a lot of this stuff will make sense. The first two you see is the sodium tallate, and the big one starts with an L, ends in oxide. I'm not going to pronounce it, but those are your surfactants. That's what gives the Murphy's Oil its cleaning ability, its cleaning power, right? The third one, the Trisodium EDTA, is your chelating agent. So it's basically, when you use Murphy's Oil soap, you have to dilute it in a bucket of water. So you pour it in the bucket of water, and so you need something that's going to help out with the minerals, the calcium, the magnesium, etc. And that's what your chelating agent is for. That's what that Trisodium EDTA is. The fourth and the fifth ingredients you see is the Propanediol and the sodium chloride, and those are your solvents. That's what keeps it liquidy, right? That's what keeps all the ingredients from separating and just keeps it all mixed together really, really well. If you want to get really nerdy and technical, the sodium chloride, it's viscosity. It's a viscosity modifier, which I didn't go into in video number 2 of this series, What's in the Bottle. I didn't go into that, but viscosity, it's liquidy form, so when you pour it, it's cool stuff, but it's a solvent, okay? So just keep it simple. They're your solvents. The Citronella Oil, number 6, that is your fragrance. That's what gives the Murphy's Oil its smell. And then number 7, water, which means, let me get it on the camera here, no wax. Murphy's Oil soap contains no wax. So you don't have to worry about waxy buildup. Now let's talk about the second question. Does Murphy's Oil soap leave a residue? Tourette's are kicking in, for those of you that have been following the channel for long enough. So the answer is yes and no. If you don't dilute it properly, if you put too much in your bucket of water, you're going to have a residue. It's the same, it's going to be the same with any cleaner that you use. If you don't dilute it properly, you put too much in your water, you're going to be left with a residue. But if you dilute the Murphy's Oil the way you're supposed to, which is 1/4 cup with 1 gallon of warm water, you won't have to worry about that. So just don't put too much in. Do it the way it says on the bottle and you'll be good to go. With that being said, my friends, I hope you found this video valuable. Thanks for checking it out. Give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up, as I would say. And I will see y'all next time.